Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
Busy yawning.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe. How are you all feeling today?
I feel really tired.
Ah, why are you tired?
I'm so excited that I wake up too early.
What are you excited about?
The forest concert. It's tonight. We're all excited. I'm nervous about singing in front of everyone. But you love singing, Ooh. But everyone else is so good at singing. What if I'm not good? You'll be all right. We'll be with you too. It's easier to be brave when your friends are with you.
It's good to mahi-tahi, work together. Do you feel better now, Ooh?
Much better. Thank you all. Papa Rākau is calling us.
Ka pai, Tākaro tribe. Off you go to see Papa Rākau.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue. Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, Ruru.
You look tired,
Yes, Papa Rākau. I woke up too early and now I'm very tired. I'm too excited about the concert tonight.
Me too. Have you been practicing a song?
Yes, we will all practice together.
Everyone in the forest is excited about the concert. But Ruru can't sleep. He gets woken up by all the practicing.
We can help you, Ruru. Oh, let's ask the forest for help too. E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te mauri ka whakapiki, ko te mauri o ngā tamariki a tāne mahita. Te mauri ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao marama. Haumi e hui e tā. letter P.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go. Good luck, Tākaro tribe.
Bye, Paparako. Aha ka mana para kawana pa. E heke nene pere te wanepe. I hiki mini giri tiwi ni fi. Oho ko mono poro kawana po. A e I o u. Uhu kumuna piri tunu fu.
This is where Ruru lives. And that is Tui practicing for the concert.
Tui is singing so loud that Ruru can't sleep. Maybe Ruru could go and sleep in a different tree. But that tree is his home. He's always lived there.
That's right. Ruru has always slept in the hollow of that tree.
What shall we do then?
Maybe the forest has given you a clue.
Let's look at the letters.
Can you read what that says?
P, A, T, A, E. Pa, Tai, Tatai.
Well done. Pātai. Ask.
But what do we have to ask? I have an idea. Ruru, did you ask Tui if he could sing somewhere else?
Ruru says that he felt too nervous to ask Tui.
Why don't we ask with you? It's easier to be brave when your friends are with you.
That's great, Tākaro tribe. You can all work together to help Ruru be Maya. Brave!
Tēnā koe, Tui. Your singing is very beautiful. We can't wait to hear you at the concert tonight. But Ruru can't sleep. He lives in that tree just there. Could you sing somewhere else, please?
Tui says he is happy to sing somewhere else.
Thank you, Tui.
That was very polite asking Tākaro tribe. That's right, Ruru. Have a good moi. Sleep before the concert.
And I might need a nap too.
Well done, Tākaro tribe. You managed to help Ruru so he could get some sleep before the concert.
And I had a nap too, so I'm not tired anymore.
Are you ready to do your song?
A, peke peke. E, wiri hea oringa. I, whiua o poi. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani. O, whiua o hope. E haka. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani. A, peke peke. E, wiri hea oringa. I, whiua o poi. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani. O, whiua o hope. E haka. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani.
That was fun to watch. Time for you all to visit Kōka.
Kia ora, tamariki mā, noho mai ki taku taha, taha mai
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro tribe.
Anna!
Shall we look at the things you did?
Anna!
Ah was tired because she kept waking up too early. Ruru was tired too because Tui was singing beside his home. You learnt to spell the word pātai. P-A-T-A-I. Pātai. Ask. You were brave to pātai. Ask Tui to sing somewhere else. You asked very nicely, so Tui agreed. Then you sang your song at the forest concert. How do you all feel now?
We feel happy! Hey!
What a fun day, Tākaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pōmari e kuhu ki te moenga. Takoto iho ki raro e pai ai o moe moe a. Kia au tō moe e pai ai o moe moe a. E pai ai o moe moe a.
Good night!
He mea tautoko nā te manga